Annyeonghaseyo, hey it's Lefty and welcome to the Lefty Vlogger channel. Last year, July 2023, I had the opportunity to experience the beauty and charm of Busan. Busan is a must-visit city when you go to Korea because Busan has a lot to offer in terms of its beauty and natural wonders. This video, we will explore the myth of Busan, the beauty of Busan. But before that, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell. Thanks for watching, and I hope through this video you were able to explore the beauty of Busan.